Hello and welcome to Dancing Numbers. After installing and connecting Dancing Numbers with QuickBooks Desktop, we can start importing, exporting, or deleting the information. To import any type of list or transactions supported by QuickBooks Pro, Premier, or the Enterprise solutions, we can click on Start. Now on the next screen, we click to browse to select the file or the Excel sheet that needs to be imported. Now today in this example, we will try to import check. So on the right for the QuickBooks transaction type, I'm going to select check as well and click next. Click OK to the message. On the file preview screen, it shows the information that is there in the Excel sheet, and we can click on next. For the mapping fields, we can either click on the drop down and choose the field columns manually one by one, or we can also click on field match to have that selected and automatically populated as well. Now if you would like to save this mapping, you can click on Save As, and also you can use this mapping in future by clicking on Load Map as well, and click Next. The File Updates screen is checking for the references or anything missing or any new information that is not there yet in the QuickBooks Company file. So we click Next, and it is still trying to find, and looks like there are no missing references, which means there's nothing new in the Excel sheet in terms of the customer, vendor, items, or the account. And we can proceed to import file. Click OK. Now depending on how much information, how many entries, or how many checks that we have in the Excel sheet, it may take some time to have them all imported in your QuickBooks Company file. Even if there are multi-line transactions, that will also be imported in your QuickBooks Company file from the Excel sheet using the dancing numbers. Now as you can see, we are almost there, and the file should be imported in just a few seconds. And here we go. Looks like it's all there and has been imported. The file has been successfully imported, and we can click close.